Guys, we're seeing a lot of interesting stuff happening right now in the crypto markets. This rejection of my orange box, is this the start of a new downtrend, or is this just a little bit of a breather before we take off and break this level? Well, I'm going to talk about that. I am going to talk about what to pay attention to on the short and on the long terms for Bitcoin. I'm also going to reveal my trade here, which is currently sitting at a little bit of a profit. So welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And with that said, guys, let's get straight into it. So we did get a rejection of the orange box here, and we are forming a little bit of a channel down, as you can see, like this. Now the question, just like I said in the beginning, is if this is going to be the start of a new downtrend, or if we are going to have a little bit of a breather here and then we're gonna take off and break this level again. Well, for me, the answer is that I believe that we're going to have massive volatility for Bitcoin. Just like I've been saying during the last couple of weeks and the last couple of months, we are going to have a lot of volatility to the up and to the downside. This is a trader's market. This is also why I am more active with trading right now, because I do feel like there are a lot of possibilities to make profit on this volatility. But I believe that we are going to trend down a little bit here. We're going to have more of a swing than what we have seen here. This is only, it's about 6%, so it's decent. But I believe that we are probably going to go down to the $22,500 level before we see some more action to the upside. Again, massive volatility for Bitcoin is what I am expecting. And also, if you look on the weekly time frame, you can see that if I flip on the moving averages, we actually did close above the 200 moving average. So this is very, very good for Bitcoin. For the Bitcoin bulls, this is what we want to see. So you can see that we have the 200-week moving average right here at 22,880. So we did close above that level, which is awesome. You can see this candle close above it, and this candle is above it right now. Of course, on this particular candle, we still have 7 days left until this closes, because today is Monday. But I do believe that we're gonna go down and test this level at $22,800. And that is also where I am going to take profit on this short trade, which I entered inside of, or once I understood that we were going to get rejected of this level, which I've also been talking about on my channel, I did enter into this short-term trade for Bitcoin, meaning I believe we're gonna go down a little bit to this level, and this is also the level which we have the 200-week moving average, and then from that point I am going to take that profit. I'm going to reevaluate the information, reevaluate the situation, and potentially take another long up to the $25,000 level here. We will see, but first things first, getting that profit taken on that short trade, this one right here. And before I talk about the long term for Bitcoin, guys, if you also want to profit from trading and you want to claim a nice $4,530 bonus, make sure to use my link right here, which gives you the ability to claim this bonus. So let's get into some more long-term charts. So as you know, short term, I believe volatility is in the cards, but long term and mid term, I still believe that now is a good time to buy Bitcoin, and down here was definitely a good time to buy Bitcoin, because every single indicator right now is pointing towards the bottom having been found, or at least that this was the vicinity of the bottom and that we're not gonna go down lower than what we have already seen here. So here's the thing. We see, by the way, Nansen AI or Nansen Alpha is they are looking at on-chain data, and they are trying to figure out what's happening in the market. And what they can see right now is that smart money have decreased their stablecoin holdings. So you can see that it has gone down basically during the summer. They are deploying their stablecoins into crypto right now. So this is what the smart money are doing. Is smart money always right? No, they're not always right, but generally they do have a good idea of what's happening in the market. And also what you can see here is the Puel multiple. Now, what is the Puel multiple? Well, basically, it is calculated by dividing the daily issuance value of Bitcoins in USD by the 365-day moving average of daily issuance value. Basically, it tells us how profitable mining is right now for Bitcoin. And you can see that every time we have gone down to this specific level, we're going, by the way, the Puel multiple is the orange line, the Bitcoin price is the white. And you can see the Puel multiple, we went down right here. Bitcoin took off from that level, we went down right here. That was the Bitcoin bottom here as well. Went down here, this was the final shakeout of the 2018 bear market. And right now, and also right here, this was the COVID crash. Right now we are in this vicinity. This is just one out of many different indicators I've been showing you, telling us that long term, we are in historical bottoming territory for Bitcoin. This is just another chart telling us this, but we already know this. But the question is, of course, is this time going to be completely different from what we have seen previously? This is something we do not know. For me, I think that history tends to rhyme. So I still believe that we, just like I've been saying, this was probably the bottom. If this was not the bottom, we're not gonna go much lower than this one at least. So yeah, this is what I believe, and you can just see the volatility I am talking about right here. You can see that we are in a kind of channel here, but you're just having massive volatility to the up and to the downside. So this is what we're trying to make money off of. Of course, we do have the long-term holdings. I do have that, and I'm trying to use these trades to just amplify that, so to speak. Okay, guys, that's what I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.